Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to mark an email as unread by right-clicking on Gmail on your PC with the new update. So let's get started. First, open up your Gmail account by going to gmail.com. Next, find the email that you want to mark as unread. Once you've located it, hover over the email with your cursor. Now, right-click on the email to bring up the context menu. From here, you'll see a few options, but what you're looking for is the envelope icon. This icon signifies marking the email as unread. Go ahead and click on the envelope icon, and just like that, your email has been marked as unread. It's as simple as that. So just to recap the steps, open Gmail, find the email, hover over it, right-click, and click on the envelope icon to mark it as unread. And there you have it. You now know how to easily mark an email as unread in Gmail with just a few simple clicks. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, goodbye.